Hi, let me show you how to restart or turn off your Google Pixel Watch free with the help of several ways. So the first one is by pressing this crown on the right side of the watch. So let's just press it like that. And now we should see power off menu on the screen. So from here you can choose either to power off or restart your watch by tapping any option. If you select to power off, then your watch will turn off and you need to manually press button again to turn it on. If you tap on restart, then your watch will turn off and just in a few seconds it will turn on itself. The next way how you can do this is to press Crown to open list of apps and here search for settings. In settings, we need to find this last tab system and also choose either to power off or restart watch by tapping any option. And the last way is force restart. So for that, you need to press and hold Crown and this side button at the same time. So press firstly Crown and then add side button. And ignore taking screenshot, just continue holding buttons till you can see Google logo appears on the screen. And after that, we'll be able to release those two buttons. And yep, here it is, we can release buttons and simply wait a few moments till the watch will turn on itself. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.